Hello guys, welcome back to US Healthcare Academy. Today we are going to start series of electronic data interchange. So this is going to be our first video in the long series of electronic data interchange. So let's get started. So guys, what is electronic data interchange? Electronic data interchange is the concept of businesses electronically communicating information that was traditionally communicated on paper, such as sending paper claims, explanation of benefits, enrollment request. So in simple words, it is sending and receiving the data electronically that used to happen on piece of paper and which was very inefficient obviously, and that's the reason EDI is important. So why EDI? First of all, EDI is very efficient. EDI can automate data exchange processes, reduces the need for manual data entry and processing. This can lead to faster transactions, fewer errors, and improved productivity. Cost savings as well. EDI can reduce the costs associated with paper-based processes such as printing, mailing, and storage. So guys, just imagine if any healthcare provider has to send hundreds and thousands of paper claims every day. He has to print it and then he has to mail it, and then it is so slow. It takes days for the receiver to receive those paper claims, and hence EDI. So EDI is faster, it is efficient, and it also saves cost, makes data interchange very fast. So guys, today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take you through few sample EDI files so that you know how an EDI file looks and how the data in the EDI file looks. At the start, you may think that this is unreadable, and it looks all messy or looks like Hebrew, but don't worry guys, don't panic. I'm going to make sure that you guys become an expert in reading and understanding the each and every data element that goes in the EDI file. Okay, so this is an example of an 837 file. 837 is a EDI format that is used to send the claims to the payer. So this is how it looks guys. Each and every element is separated by this special character which is called asterisk. So between two asterisks you will see a data field, and that means something. But let's not get into details of that right now. As I promised you that I will make sure that you all are comfortable with reading and understanding any healthcare EDI file. Okay. Similarly, this is an example of an 835 file. 835 file is nothing but a remittance file which has the information how the claim has been adjudicated, like what has been paid for what service, what is not being paid. If anything is denied, then there are denial codes in that file. There is patient responsibility in that file, like how much the patient owes, what does he owe, whether it's copay, deductible, or co-insurance or non-covered charges. So that's all the information that goes in the 835 EDI file. Alright guys, so let's learn and understand the different EDI formats that are used in healthcare. 270. 270 is the EDI format that is used to send the eligibility request. What that means is, in this format, you send patient's information and patient's insurance information to the insurance company just to verify the insurance. Okay. Now 271. So when the payer receives the 270, the 271 is generated and sent to the provider by the payer. And 271 has information like what is the valid date of the insurance, from when to when the insurance is valid, and what are the type of services that this insurance policy covers, what is the patient responsibility, what is the copay, co-insurance and deductible that the patient owes. So that is the eligibility response. 837, already spoke about 837 files. It is to send claims to the payer, and what information goes in the 837 file is the same as what information goes into CMS 1500 form. So if you haven't seen my video on the CMS 1500 form, please go ahead and see that video. 999 acknowledgement of EDI transaction. So 999 is nothing but once you send the 837 file, as soon as the 837 file is received by the receiving system, it generates a 999. It is just an acknowledgement of the EDI transaction. It just says that, oh, fine. So I have received this 837 file, and yeah, it just tells you if that file has been accepted or not. If that file is not accepted, then in 999 you'll also get details about why this file was not accepted. So this is 999 is not on the claim level, it is for the entire file. Okay, 276. So once you send the claim, and after 3 to 4 days or 5 days or whatever time period, if you want to see the status of the claim automatically in your system, what exactly is happening with that claim, where it is right now. So this is a 276 request that you send to the payer with obviously whatever claim number you want to inquire about, and then the payer responds back with this 277, which has the codes and the statuses description of what exactly is the status of that claim right now. 835. 835 is once this 837, which is the claim file, when the payer receives the claim file, they adjudicate the claim, and they want to send you the final information, how the claim was adjudicated, whether it is going, whether it has been paid or not, whether it has been denied, what is the reason for denial. So all that information goes in remittance advice, and I have already showed you the example here. Whatever services has been billed to the payer, so what amount payer is paying on that service, what amount they are not paying as per the contract, and then what is the patient responsibility, like co-insurance, copay, deductible, what are non-covered charges, what are the, if the service is denied, then what is the reason for denial. Those kind of remark codes also you can find in an 835 file. 834. 834 is nothing but an enrollment request. So basically, just to give you an example, suppose you join an organization, and your organization provides you insurance. So you have to be enrolled in the insurance, your dependents have to be enrolled in the insurance. So what your organization does is sends an 834 EDI file to the insurance company with all your information, your demographics, your dependents information, their demographics, and then the insurance company would assign you a plan and enroll you in that plan. So that is an enrollment request. All right, guys. So this is a high level overview of what EDI is. In our next video, I will take you through how to read the EDI file. All right. Until then, you all have a good day. Bye bye.